Sheila Lucero from Jack's Fish House and Oyster Bar. We're going to talk a little bit about our seafood chowder and the kits that you can take home and prepare at home. Right here we have some Mexican shrimp, some fresh halibut, razor clams, and some Prince Edward Island mussels. In the vegetables we have some roasted okra, baby carrots, corn, potatoes, and bacon. And then we have the base for the chowder. Really simple steps. I'll walk you through it so you can enjoy it at home. So I just grabbed a medium-sized pot, and you can really put everything in all at once. Add your liquid. Kind of give it a quick stir. And then just throw a lid on it for a couple minutes, and you're really looking for the shrimp to get cooked nice and opaque and the mussels to all be opened up, and at that point you're ready to enjoy. Alright, our chowder's been on for about 4.5 minutes, 5 minutes. As you can see, it's bubbling, all our mussels are opened up, and our shrimp is cooked. So let's serve it up. We're just going to split this up evenly. Chowder for two.
You got your bread and butter on the side. Boom.